going on, everyone? World's Okayest Farmer. This video is a little bit different, but a lot of my videos are different. No, it's not always the same content. But this, I'm talking about my previous job that I just left. I was a airline mechanic, and then after so long of being a mechanic, I became a quality assurance maintenance inspector, where we did a lot of different tasks in the airlines, aircraft maintenance, and I got started into all that from, well, my dad was an aircraft maintenance technician, and then I went into the Air Force out of high school, 4 years active duty Air Force. After the active duty stint, I joined the Air National Guard, which I'm still in, and I worked for the airlines for the, past 15 years. And then it was really cool flying all over, fixing airplanes. We do engine runs, we taxi the aircraft. We don't fly them, but we do fly sometimes in the cockpit with pilots and make sure some maintenance functions are good. It changed everything on the aircraft. In the Air Force, everything's real specialized. There's people that just work hydraulics, that just work on the flight controls, that put fuel on them, launch them out, recover them. Like it's real specific groups. In the airlines and commercial aviation, you do everything, so for the most part, and depending on where you're going. But I mean, we did everything from sheet metal repairs to avionics, calibrating, changing all the components. I mean, we did everything. Change engines.
What's the damage?
I did bore scopes, but part of my function was doing non-destructive testing. So we would use eddy current, ultrasound, and what was the third? Eddy current, ultrasound, and dye penetrant. So different methods that you can check for cracks or discontinuities in aluminum or metal. In this case, mainly aluminum, some steel. Right. Yeah, so from that and learning that while I was we were in quality assurance, we did the non-destructive testing on the aircraft, in-service aircraft. There is another company that I learned from somebody that I work with in the military, where they regulate all the suppliers of aerospace parts. So all the parts when they're manufactured to go build aircraft, it's a very involved system. how it works. It would be a long video to explain everything, but what my new job, I primarily work from home. We do have conferences around the world 3 times a year, which is fun. And we send people out to do audits on these parts manufacturing companies that sell their parts to the aircraft manufacturing companies, and I just deal with non-destructive testing. This company does all aspects of manufacturing, from machining to welding to heat treating, chemical processing, coatings. They do everything in manufacturing of parts for aircraft. I strictly deal at this point in time with non-destructive testing. There's a few more methods that I'm not qualified in, but I'm learning, like magnetic particle inspections and X-ray. But I review the audits and I get with the companies and make sure that they're fixing the problems that were found during the audit, and then we accredit them. You have to be accredited to sell parts to these, like Boeing is a big one, Lockheed Martin, like the big companies that build aircraft. So that's what I do now. I just started about 3 months ago. I already traveled to Berlin, Germany with them. And yeah, it's going great. I'm enjoying it. I'm glad to not be working night shift anymore. But yeah, I left Republic Airlines. They're a regional airline operating Embraer 175s primarily now. At one point we had 145s, 190s. We bought Q400s off of Colgan for a little bit. And I'm going to show you some pictures in this video. And I'm going to show you a little bit of video that I made before I left. I never talk about it on this channel or show anything because we had a social media policy where, without any kind of approval or anything, we weren't allowed to put anything out, but I don't work for them anymore. So here's a little bit of video I took in the last couple months working there. So I hope you guys enjoy. That's what I do for my full-time job. Farming and everything is a hobby for me. Hauling and excavating is a side business. I have people that work for me that do that, although it's almost a full-time gig. It keeps us busy. But thanks for watching, and here's what I do full-time. So if I post this video, it's because I got a new job, but here's where I work for the last 15 years. I work in quality assurance, aircraft maintenance. I started as a mechanic, went to a lead, and now I am quality assurance inspector. They're doing an engine change over here. We do about 1 or 2 a week. I don't work for these companies that these aircraft are painted. We're a regional. We can fit 3 airplanes in this hangar, 3 in the other one, and park 6 outside. These are all our planes. And we have a bunch up at the gate also. But 15 years I worked here, and I think it's time for a new job that doesn't involve working at night. These are all Embraer 175s. State-of-the-art Avionics. Use a cursor here. You can go through the different pages to see all your systems. Here you can see where all your flight controls are. What system's running them. Hydraulics page tells you your pressure, shows all your valves. Fuel page, and they go green when they're flowing. Electrical page shows your output. This is cabin air and bleed air. All valves and temperatures and pressures from bleed, anti-ice. It's a pretty state-of-the-art aircraft. And then this is where you get maintenance messages, and there's all kinds of tests you can run, like these messages over here, maintenance messages, engines, all kinds of info. It's pretty cool. The aircraft get damaged all the time by jetways. Here is a repair, fixing some damage, probably from a jetway. Got 3 engines sitting here waiting to go get overhauled. Just a little damage from a tug. These guys are doing a little maintenance on that engine. Yeah, this is one of our newest airplanes. Pretty nice. This is one of our flagship aircraft. Neutral paint. And then you can put 3 airplanes in that hangar. Some have already gone to the gate. And 3 down there in that one. I really like this new United paint job. That's the newest paint job. I know the book.